Hey guys, Hobbybox604 here with group break 479, 1112 SP Authentics. The box is ending in 7728. Where is it? 7728. Ugh, camera's killing me. There we go, 7728. And the empty box. Good luck, everybody. So we have base. We have rookie hollow effects of Mika Zibanejad for the Ottawa Senators. Base. Base pack. I know, right? Hopefully we'll just burn through all of those. Ugh. So boring when it's just base cards. There we go. We have Steven Stamkos SP Essentials for Tampa Bay Lightning. That one's not numbered. And we have a rookie hollow effects of Marcus Kruger for Chicago. Yeah. I know, right? Hopefully they're all towards the last row or towards the bottom of the cards. The bottom of the stack, I guess. They must be. All in the last row. all in the last row. Future Watch of Marcus Foligno out of $9.99 for Buffalo. And we have a Future Watch auto of Lennart Petrell out of $9.99 for the Oilers. Oh, there's something in here. So we'll wait till the end for that one. Almost, right? And base. And we have a Future Watch auto of Matt Fratton out of $3.50 out of $9.99 for Toronto. Space. Not yet, Ernie. You might hit something. And we have a Future Watch of Mikko Koskinen for the New York Islanders, 73 out of 9.99. An SP Essentials of Wayne Gretzky for the New York Rangers. Too bad it's not autoed. And our last pack, base. Very nice. Jan Salve for the Vancouver Canucks. Future Watch limited auto patch out of 100. Number 90 out of 100. Very nice. Thank you very much, guys. We'll be back with our next break shortly.